In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a virtual background to Microsoft Teams. First, open Microsoft Teams. You can use the desktop app on Windows or Mac, or the web version in a supported browser. Make sure you're signed in and that your app is up to date, since newer versions include the most reliable background features. Next, join a meeting. You can click Meet Now, join a scheduled meeting from your calendar, or accept an invite link. If you're already in a meeting, that's fine. You can follow along from there as well. On the pre-join screen, you'll see your audio and video controls. This is a great place to set everything up before others see your video. Turn on your camera by clicking the camera icon. If you're in a browser, you may be asked to allow camera access. Click Allow so Teams can use your webcam. Take a second to center yourself in the frame and check your lighting. Good lighting will make the virtual background look cleaner, and avoiding a bright light directly behind you helps reduce halo effects. Now, look for background filters. On the pre-join screen, it appears alongside your camera preview. If you're already inside a meeting, open the meeting controls and look for the option that opens the background effects panel. This brings up the same set of tools you'd see before joining. Open background settings. This panel is where you manage everything related to your background. You'll see options like None to turn backgrounds off, Blur to softly hide your surroundings, and a gallery of built-in images. The panel also shows a slight preview so you can check how it looks without broadcasting changes immediately. Finally, select a background. Click Blur if you want a simple professional look that keeps you in focus while masking the room behind you. Or choose one of the preset images, such as an office or abstract scene. Give it a moment to apply. Your video should update right away. If there's a preview button, use it to test the look, then apply it when you're satisfied. Pick something that contrasts gently with your clothing and avoids heavy motion or busy patterns, which can be distracting or cause edge artifacts. That's all there is to it. You've added a virtual background in Microsoft Teams. If you ever want to switch back, open background settings again and choose None, or swap to a different look. If you don't see the background options, update Teams or check with your IT admin, as the feature can be managed by your organization. Enjoy your next meeting with a cleaner, more polished video presence.